Today we'll learn methods. So let me first remove previous codes where we stopped in the loops for and while. So methods. So methods, it starts from these keywords. It can be public, static, void. So in my first example, I will write public static int, and this is my name which I called my methods. I open the round brackets. Inside of brackets I will write the local variable that which will be used in this inside of these methods. I will write integer a and integer b. Then I will open the curly brackets. This is our body of our methods, and here let me declare it and initialize integer sum. Then I will write a and plus b. Then I will return the result of this the added two integers. So look at here, the first public and static, there are modifiers of these methods. The next one word is int, which means that we returns the integer value by using keywords return. It should be type of strongly type of integer. We'll write in the next examples the another type of variable. So let's first pass these methods. So in order to pass these methods, now in the my main methods, which plays roles at the entry point of the program, I need to first call these methods. I will write add. Then, for example, inside of this I need to write two integers, since our parameters takes two parameters, type of integer, and let me write any type of integer. Then let me run it. Actually, we don't see any result on our console since we don't print it yet. So let me print this first, then we will see our result. Brackets, I will write here. Now let me run again. You see the result 25. So we have initialized the parameters add is declared with the modifiers of public and static, and integer, which means it returns integer value, the sum. Then this our methods takes two parameters, type of int, and inside of these methods the integer a and b added together, and the result is stored in the integer of sum. And the return statement, these return statements return the value of sum. So this one of the type of methods. Now let's see the another type of methods which actually doesn't return any value. So let me write here. I will start from modifiers public static. Why it's static? Since we call these methods from our main static methods, it should be equal. Then let me write here grid. I will write here string name, open curly brackets, system out println, and here, for example, hello, and the past name. So here's the difference in this keywords void, which indicating that this method doesn't return any value. Here we'll return integer value. Here if you write void, it's indicating that we doesn't return any value. So here, in order to call these methods, I need to write just only method itself without statement of print system out println. So I'll write greet here, and write me here, for example, here Bagdaulet. Since I need to send these parameters, since our method of greet takes one parameter, type of string. Now let me run it. You see, hello Bagdaulet, we just implement our methods of void. So we'll just declare these methods with the modifiers of public and static, void, which means it doesn't return any value. Then it takes one parameters. We'll give these parameters Bagdaulet. This should be string. Then inside of these parameters, the body of methods, the body of these methods, we'll just write system out println statement hello, and by plus we'll take our local variable, which we'll send here. It takes this one parameter, which is the name Bagdaulet. Then it will put here, and it will print on our console hello and our variable name Bagdaulet. So today that's all.